Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error Windows could not search for new updates in Windows 7. Open change date and time settings. Click change date and time. Set correct date and time. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update Service, click Stop the service. Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive. Windows directory, rename Software Distribution folder to Software Distribution.old. Open Windows Update Service, start the service. Open Control Panel, click Windows Update. Click Check for updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.